Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in music sentiment, with a score of plus 0.44 and momentum at plus 0.71, indicating a significant shift from the historical baseline. This isn't just a casual uptick. It suggests that listeners are feeling more positively engaged with music than usual, which is unusual given the typical sentiment fluctuations. Our Music Sentiment API returns a wealth of data, including sentiment scores, momentum trends, and semantic clusters that capture the emotional landscape of tracks. Imagine integrating this into your app to provide personalized music recommendations based on the current emotional climate of listeners. For instance, you could create a playlist that resonates with this heightened positivity, enhancing user experiences and engagement. Dive deeper into the data at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this insight together.